Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a simple phone book or a phone directory in Python. We are going to have a dictionary with person names as keys. Each person will be represented as another dictionary with the keys phone and address referring to their number and addresses respectively. So let's see. We are going to have uh, people, name of the person, uh, and now we are going to have phone and address as another dictionary with the keys phone and address. This will be address then another person. Okay, the phone and address. And one more and address. Now we are going to have descriptive labels for the phone number and addresses. This will be used when printing the output. So labels will be for phone. We are going to have a phone number, So we are going to print instead of short names, we're going to print these values, address, and now we are going to prompt the user to input the name. Then we are going to check, are we looking for a phone number or an address? So we are going to prompt the user for phone number or address lookup. So for phone number, the user need to enter P, or for address, A, and we are going to check the request type. That will be if request type equals to P, so that the user is looking for a phone number, then we are going to set the key to a phone. If request type is equal to A, then we are going to set the key to address. Which are the keys in our dictionary and address. And now we are going to print the user's information. So we are going to check if name is in our phone directory. This will be if name in people print. We are going to format name and labels. So we are going to pass in the key. So print the label for that key. And comma, people name and key. Now we can run our code. We need to enter first name. I'll enter John. And now we are going to select one of the options such as phone number or an address. First we are going to select a phone number by entering a P, and we get the phone number for John. And run this program again. Look for John, and this time we are just going to print the address. So look up the address. So I just enter A for that, and now we get the address for John. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.